Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find the domain, and that's it about real numbers. So we need to find the limit of s approach to positive infinity of the function. So this is about the highest power, and we see that this is about number 3. Number 3 is about odd number. So when s approach to positive infinity, this number 2 in here, that's about positive coefficient. Positive with positive, so we have positive. The next one, when s approach to negative infinity of the function, this is about the highest power, and we have number 3 that is about odd number. Number 2 that is about positive coefficient. Positive with negative, we have negative infinity. Now we need to find first the derivative of the function. So s to the power of 3, we have 3s squared. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. So we have 6s squared plus 3. Next, we see that s squared that is about even power. So because this is about even power, they always provide positive number. That means when s go to negative or positive infinity, this one always provide positive number. This is about positive, so that means this one is always greater than number 0. Because this is always greater than number 0, so the function in here, they should be increased. So that means the behavior on the interval from negative number 3 to number 0. So this one, the function always increase. This is the end. Thank you for watching.